This is Michael Wong. Today we're gonna install Oracle OBIEE 12.2.1.4. Okay, if you just do a simple Google search, so just search download Oracle OBIEE 12c. So the first link is here. So we need to download the Java JDK. I already downloaded that. So today we're gonna install on Linux. We're gonna download this one on the WebLogic server. And it's OBIEE for Linux. There are two files. So I already downloaded that. So I need to transfer the WebLogic to my server. Okay, so while it's downloading, it's transferring. So let's go to the server and let's see if we can install the JDK. So it's still transferring. So I'm installing on the Linux 8, CentOS 8. So I'm CentOS Linux 8.1. So I have my JDK here. So let's go to the directory we want to install the JDK, which is here. So I'm going to install the JDK here. So I'm going to type the full path of the JDK. Okay. Okay, so I have to use a tar. Let me create a soft link. Alright, let's see. Okay, so the transferring is complete. Let's go to the download directory. So this is where we have the downloads. So from the link, the WebLogic version is actually 12.2.1.3. So we are installing the OBIEE 12.2.1.4. So here it says Oracle Business Intelligence 12c 12.2.1.4. But when we click the download the WebLogic, it's not 12.2.1.4. It's 12.2.1.3. Okay, so looks like the 12.2.1.4 WebLogic is not certified yet. Anyway, so we're just gonna install it. I'm gonna unzip that. So let's start the installer. Next, next. Okay, we're gonna choose a directory for the OBIE. So, so I'm gonna install here. So this folder is empty now. So if you don't have a folder, you can just create a folder. Next. Okay. Next. Install. It's 100%. So next. It's finished. Okay, now I need to install the OBIE. So I'm gonna unzip that. So I'm gonna run the spin file. So this is gonna start the installer. Next, click next. So we're gonna choose same directory we install the WebLogic. Product, OBIE. Next. Next. Okay, click next. Just install. It's gonna take a while, so we're gonna come back when it's 100%. It's 100%. Next. So just click finish. Okay, now we need to run the RCU. So we need to go to the directory we installed OBIE. RCU. Next. Next. So here we need to input the database information. So this host name is database server name. Port is usually 1521. Next. Okay, so it's fine now. Say okay. So now we need to check the Oracle Business Intelligence. We need to choose prefix. Let's see. I'm gonna call it BI. BI dive. Next. So we're gonna use the same password. Oh, simplicity. Let's click next. Okay. Okay. It's great. So it's gonna take a while, and that's so let me come back when it's finished. Okay, it's finished. Just click close. So now I need to run the config.sh to create the domain. Okay. Okay, so we need to run the config.sh under the bi bin. Alright. Next. Click next. Okay. So domain name. So we're gonna name it BI domain. So I'm gonna put this to a different location. So I'm gonna put under this. Input the password. Next. So I'm gonna use existing schemas. BI dive. So okay, so just click next. Okay, so just click next. Configure. So it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna come back after it's done. Okay, it's finished. So you can see the BI configuration is 100%. BI startup 100%. And this is 100% too. So next, let's finish. All right. So let's see what is started. Okay. So this is the admin server. So Let's go to the domain, see if we get more information. Okay, 9501 9500. So let's take a look at admin server port 9500. So 9501 is the SSL. Okay, so let's try 9500. Nine five zero zero. Okay. So we logged in. So the BI server, it's running on 9502. So note this is different from the installation of other products of the middleware. So usually when you install, when you configure the domain, it doesn't start up the domain. So but for the BI, so OBIEE, so it started the domain in the process of the configuring the domain. Okay. So let's check. So looks like this okay. So listening address, okay. It's default. All right. Okay, so let's see if we can log in to one of the application, to the workspace. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so looks like the IE is only supported browser. I don't know why. Okay, so we logged in. Okay, so because we just installed, we don't have anything. Okay. So that means we successfully installed the OBIEE and created the domain.